So you don't have much money, and that's happy birthday to you. I don't mean to sound funny. Happy birthday. You don't ever need to lie.
Happy birthday, Nisi Wen. We just wanted to send you things from sunny Alaska. Happy 21st birthday. Hope you guys enjoy.
So how you
and may God provide more years unto your life to serve Him and to do everything in His will, in His name. Happy birthday, Timo! Happy birthday, Timo! Happy birthday! You're legal! Yay! Bye! Bye, Timo!
Kia ora ki moa, Chukio Masti Kay here. Happy birthday, hope you have a blessed day.
What's up, bro? I just want to say happy 21st, and I hope you're having like an awesome day. I just want to say thank you for always being there for all of us boys. They're probably here tonight, but yeah, I just want to say yeah, thanks for being a brother at school and out of school. I want to thank you for sharing your gift with me too. What an amazing talent, amazing singer. I just want to say, yeah, I'm lost for words actually. Just thanks for everything. Got a little song. Hopefully bring some memories, some good memories back, and yeah, hope you have a good night. We've been together for a while now. We're growing stronger every day now, and it feels so good, and there's no doubt, yeah, I will stay with you as each morning brings the sunrise and the flowers bloom in springtime. Oh my love, and you can rely on, yeah, and I will stay with you. Oh, I will stay with you through the ups and downs, and I will stay with you when no one else is around, and when the dark clouds rise, I will stay by your side, 'cause I know we'll be alright, and I will stay with you. Thank you very much. Have a good night. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, go and get crazy, just a little bit crazy. It's all good. Good license. Go hard.
Hey cuz, it's just me, Daisy. Just a video to say happy 21st birthday, and I hope you have the best day ever. May God continue to bless you abundantly, and I hope you get spoiled like crazy today, which I actually know you will get spoiled like crazy. Anyways, happy birthday, and I hope you have the best birthday ever. And yeah, much love from here in Sydney. Peace. Love you. Bye.
What up, Timo Marisa? It's your boy Fiji, wishing you a happy 21st birthday, and I hope you get 121 more. Much love, respect, always. It's your boy, always. Boom, bang. Happy 21st.
Hi, Kimo. Happy birthday. Much love. Not only are you an amazing man, you are amazingly talented, and you're going to be a Mintez teacher. Happy birthday. Much love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Timo. We love you all the way from Sydney, Australia.
sorry we can't be there to celebrate your big 21st, although we wish you all the best and I hope you enjoy the day.
Happy 21st birthday, Timo. May God bless you with many more years to come. May you be blessed financially, spiritually, and physically. May God bless you. And I hope you guys enjoyed tonight. I hope you, Timo, enjoyed tonight without us. And yeah, happy 21st birthday.
Happy 21st
From Tia and Sydney, Australia.
We love you. Bye.
Yo, what up, guys? It's Maurice over here. Just want to wish my love was to brother Chemo. Happy 21st, bro. 21st of the year. Go out there and get buck wild, brother. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi Timothy, happy 21st birthday from your family all the way in Sydney. We wish you all the best in the future. May God bless and lots of love and blessings from us.
Hey, what's up, Timo? Stephen Hardy here. Just wishing you a massive 21st birthday. Hope you get all that you want and hope you get spoiled and that your family and friends enjoy your company. And yeah, just go hard, brother. And just want to sing a little bit of a happy birthday song for you. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Timo. Happy birthday to you. Peace.
What's up, bro? Just wanted to say happy birthday to you, man. God bless you, bro. Miss you big time, man. And just
let's go.
pray that God blesses you in every way possible, man.
This is a tribute right here.
Hi Timo, happy 21st birthday. As you can see, I am all alone by myself here. But yeah, have a very blessed birthday and love you from Marissa, your favorite cousin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jamie.
Janice and Janice.
Happy birthday to you. Manuela Rastafari. Manuela Rastafari.